Laws.com, Legal Forms Guide.
Petition for change of name of a family, NV Packet 52. A family should only use this form if they want to change the last names of the family members. The family members must be residents of the state for at least 6 months, and none of the family members can have a criminal record with a felony charge. If any family member wants to change their first name, they will have to fill out a separate petition. Step 1. This packet is intended for the change of up to 2 adult members and 2 minors. If you do not want to change up to 4 names, write NA in the appropriate places. Step 2. While filling out the forms, you'll want to regard pages 4 through 12 of the packet, following the instructions closely to make sure you're filling out the forms correctly and keeping from passing over required forms. Step 3. After completing the necessary forms, you need to make 3 copies of the petition and notice of petition. Take these completed forms and copies to the clerk's office and pay the filing fees. You can pay by cash, money order, cashier's check, or personal check. Have the copies stamped. Step 4. If you need to ask the court to appoint you as a child's guardian ad litem, regard pages 13 through 15 of the packet. Step 5. You need to publish the notice of petition in a local newspaper once a week for at least 3 consecutive weeks prior to the summary disposition or hearing. If you feel your family is in danger with such publication, ask the court if you can waive the requirement. Step 6. If you want to request a summary disposition, regard pages 16 through 19 of the packet. For information on the prove-up hearing, regard pages 19 through 21 of the packet. Step 7. After the disposition or hearing, request copies of the order to change important records.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit Laws.com.